In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete workflow in n8n. Deleting a workflow in n8n is a short, two-stage process. You archive it first, then you delete it from the archive. This extra checkpoint is there to prevent accidental loss, and I'll guide you through it from start to finish in a clear, safe way. Start in your n8n workspace on the Workflows page. This is the main list where all your automations live. Find the workflow you no longer need. Take a moment to confirm it's the correct one by checking its name and any notes you've added. If it's currently active, remember that removing it will stop any related automations, so make sure it's safe to retire. Open the Options menu for that workflow by clicking the three dots on the right side of its row. This is the context menu for that specific item, so any action you choose here will apply only to the workflow you selected. Choose Archive. Archiving immediately disables the workflow and removes it from your main list, but it does not erase anything yet. Think of this as moving it to a safe, read-only holding area where nothing runs in the background, giving you a chance to review before committing to a permanent delete. Next, switch your view to the archived items. Use the filter control at the top of the Workflows page to include archived workflows. When you enable the option to show archived, the list refreshes, and you'll see the workflows you just moved out of the active view. This makes it easy to double-check you're about to act on the right item. In the Archive view, locate that same workflow. This is the only place where permanent deletion is available. Open its options again using the three dots and click Delete. n8n will prompt you to confirm, since this action cannot be undone. Read the prompt, make sure you've selected the correct workflow, and then confirm to finalize the deletion. Once confirmed, the workflow and its configuration are removed from your workspace. That's the full flow. Open Workflows, use the three dots on the item, archive it, filter to show archived, and from there, delete it. The extra stop in the archive gives you a final safeguard before anything is gone for good. If you don't see the delete option in the archive view, your account may not have permission to remove workflows, so reach out to an administrator. And if teammates rely on that automation, give them a heads up so they aren't surprised when triggers stop running. You're all set. Your workspace stays clean, and you've safely deleted the workflow in n8n.